Forest Mommy here. Gonna give you some tips on window washing. Since everyone's staying home, might as well have some clean windows, right? And because in the fall and the winter, you know, we lose our light, so we might as well let what little light we have shine through brightly. Okay, first, you're gonna need a bucket. I already put some water in it, but there's your bucket, okay? When you get a hand on a bucket, got a bucket. What I add is Dawn dish soap, which, oh, here. Got your Dawn, okay? You just put a little of that in there. Since I already put some in there, I don't need to put a lot more. Dish soap goes a long way. And a little bit of white vin. Okay, and then we need hot water. Very hot water. There it is. Big tip. You want to get these rags. You can get them from Home Depot, wherever, online. Do not wash these rags with fabric softener. That is what streaks. So just water and plain laundry soap, okay? And then if you don't have a belt, which I'll show you my awesome belt. It's really sweet, right? You can just latch that bad boy on. This is the brush. If you have tempered glass or tinted glass with the film, you don't want to use this brush. If you can see, there's like little spikes on it. That'll scratch your glass. If you have tempered or with a film, you want to use lamb's wool. They have little covers on here. And if you don't have a belt and this kind of shit, you can just use rags. Just get one rag wet, wash with that, dry off with dry rags. It's just a little more elbow grease, but whatever. Obviously, your squeegee as well. All right, folks, let's go get some windows washed. Okay, wonderful. So, this is really difficult. What you do is you take that brush, suds that bad boy up. Do a little squeegee action. Dry the excess water off the side. Or just dry it with a rag if you were just using a rag. Although these belts are pretty cool, I would suggest getting one because it makes it a lot easier. Boom! I have to do the outside of this one still, but I will show you how clean it is at that time. So you're probably like, Forest Mommy, who cares about clean windows? Well, yeah, who cares? It's fucking nice to have clean windows, first of all. Second of all, you can actually make a business out of it if you live in an area where people will pay for such services. And it's really fucking easy. You do have to climb ladders, but a lot of people like doing that kind of thing. So you just need to find someone to climb ladders, a vehicle that can transport some of these ladders. If you're just doing residential, you don't really ever need more than a 30-foot ladder. You probably won't even use that hardly at all. Like a 20-foot ladder will get done what you need. Otherwise, it's buckets and rags and soap. And people will pay you to just do that. And it's satisfying. But anyways, I hope you have a great day. Thank you for tuning into Forest Mommy's new and first video on her GoPro 8. So just get ready for the ultimate cringe fest coming up.